First, cook 1 cup of Japanese rice in a rice cooker. If you don't have a rice cooker, search how to cook rice on a stovetop online and come back to this video. Now, when rice is just cooked, it's going to be extremely hot. You may want to move the cooked rice into another bowl to cool it off so your hands won't get burned. Then, dampen your hand with a splash of water and sprinkle a pinch of salt on it. If you're concerned about hygiene, you can put a food wrapper on your hand first and do this step. Now, on a cupped hand, put a decent amount of cooked rice. Try and figure out what's the best amount for your hand. Then with both hands, shape the rice into a bowl or triangle. Angle your fingers to create a desired shape. And when the rice starts holding its shape, it's done. To add an extra flavor and make it easier to hold the rice bowl, you can wrap it with nori seaweed paper. Enjoy!